and welcome to Online Small Engine Mechanics. I'm your mechanic Cole again today. Today is just going to be a quick short video on how to fix the snowblower. This is my personal snowblower, and I was using it today during our snowfall. And all of a sudden, I went to drive the snowblower, and it does this. And I looked up on YouTube how to fix that, as I've never had that problem before, and there's no YouTube videos on how to fix it. But I did look at it, and I think I found our problem. So if this happens to your snowblower, pretty much what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to put this bar down right here, and then you're gonna have to take your hand and just try to get that spring back on. I'm gonna do that off camera because I need to use both hands. Got the spring on, it's right there. You need to make sure you have this on correctly though, otherwise it won't work. So these pegs right here have to be facing down, left at an angle, downward angle. So your spring goes onto this part right here, and then it mounts onto into the hole of this peg. And then your drive cable is on the other peg, and it leads up through here and then up to the handlebar. And also, once you do this, you may have to adjust your cable. It may be too light. The way to check that is if you know how much pressure you had on it when you used to use the thing, then that's good enough. So this is probably the amount of pressure that I had when I used this thing previously, before this broke. So that's what I'm gonna put it at. All right, now we'll put the belly pan back on, put the wheels back on, and see if it works. And there you have it. That's how you fix your snowblower that won't drive, and the cable has so much slack. Like I said, I couldn't find another video on YouTube on how to fix this, so I created my own. Hope this helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe and like, and if you have any questions, please comment. I appreciate your time, and have a great day.